Well, good morning from Disney's Animal Kingdom. We're going to be here today. Going to check out things here. Haven't been here in a little while. So we're going to see what's happening, what's new, all that good stuff. We're also going to meet up with my good buddy Winford and Rondi. Rondi sent me a message, said, hey, I'm getting on Everest. Why don't you meet me over there? So I'm gonna head that way and check things out as I make my way through Animal Kingdom. Like I said, it's been a while since I've been in this park, but we'll check it out, have a good time. Well, as you can see in the video, there are people wearing masks. That is because they issued the statement we didn't have to wear them anymore right after we did this video. It takes about a 25-minute wait to get on Everest right now. That line looks a lot longer than 25 minutes. I mean, it's all the way back up here, almost towards Dino Land. So, I don't know if it's 25 minutes or not. But anyways, I'm gonna head into Dino Land and hang out there for a second. So we have found Rondi and Winford. So it's hot. As you can tell, she's sitting down and the dog is sitting down. The dog has got ice cubes in his backpack or in his service dog vest and stuff. So he's all nice and cool, but it's still really hot. So if you're coming to like Animal Kingdom, just a tip, this is probably the hottest park of all of them. So if you think this is going to be the one you're going to go to and it's going to be nice and cool because there's trees everywhere. Yeah, there are trees everywhere. That doesn't mean that it is not hot because the trees kind of block some of the breeze. So it's hot here. So that's your tip for the day. Come on, Shaq. Too hard, Shaq. We just rode Flight of Passage. I've not ridden that ride. That was awesome. I love that ride. I'd ride that all day long. It was great. Okay, so we had to stop and get some food, and we decided carny food. How you say it again? Yeah, that's where we're at. So we're gonna try this food, and we'll find out if it's any good. A lot of cool stuff up there. Good food in this place. I like the hamburger. Through Africa now, and we're gonna go to, what's that ride we're going to?
It's not a ride, but it's Rafiki's
What's it? What are we doing?
Watch.
What's it called?
Rafiki's Planet Watch.
What do we do there?
You can pet goats and you can take a drawing class.
Oh, cool. So we're gonna go draw some stuff.
And pet the goats.
And she'll pet the goats. I don't care about goats.
You'll hold the dog.
I'll hold the dog. I got a goat right there.
Keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. Sit all the way back against the bench.
So we're leaving the station on the train, and you can tell there's not a lot of people on this train besides us. And we're gonna go draw some pictures and pet some goats. And maybe a donkey or two.
And science centers. Also, be sure to check out the animation experience at Conservation Station, where you can learn to draw your favorite Disney characters inspired by live animals from one of our... Did you know Bambi was the first animated feature to bring live animals into the studio? In the 1940s, Walt Disney and his animators modeled characters from the film after the movements and natural behaviors of their real-life counterparts.
So we're almost to our destination and Winford is panting. He's hot.
Please sit all the way back against the bench and avoid leaning out toward the rail.
I saw that and I wish I caught it sooner.
Be sure to watch your children.
This is where they take care of all the animals if they need anything here at Animal Kingdom. Kind of like the hospital for the animals. Sketchy times, I guess, having. As he telling us, go this way. It's hard to believe that my duo partner Bill and Psychoustic did not even know that this area even existed. He's had season passes to Animal Kingdom and all the Disney parks for 6 years and didn't even know this was here. So I guess this is where we go draw some pictures in this little room here. I just follow her. She's been here before. I've never even been back here. It's pretty cool. I guess there's animals or something over there. So this is another veterinary clinic where they take care of the animals right here.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I don't know if you remember me.
Here is another room where the veterinarians work and take care of all the animals here at Animal Kingdom.
I really wasn't thinking it was going to be this hot. So we're going to hopefully try to finish the rest of this part.
That is a giant toad for sure. Yeah, I was pretty proud of this one. So we're gonna go ride Everest. Been waiting all day just to ride this ride. We're finally going to go there, although Flight of Passage was awesome. So I don't know how you can outdo that ride. So we're on our way that way.
Does everybody ask you the same question?
Pretty much. No, it's all right.
Guests who do not comply will be asked to leave. Please keep your party together, abide by the queue markings, maintain physical distancing while keeping off the party in front of you, and use the hand sanitizer dispensers provided. Thank you.
So I could have videotaped while we were on Everest, but I'm not brave enough to hold the phone. If I had the stick with me, I probably would have done it, but
Or a pop socket.
pop socket something, but I didn't have that. So no video from the ride, but we'll say thank you to the girl that let us ride it twice in a row, because you know, we had the dog in the kennel and she said, you want to ride it again? I said ride the back, because you rode the front the first time and we rode the back the second time. Back is much more intense, so if you want a much more intense ride in back. Okay, so we rode Dinosaur. Ronnie thinks that ride's scary. I don't think it's scary at all.
I can't wait to see the picture.
Basically what it is if you live in California, it's pretty much, I think, the Indiana Jones ride by the Jungle Cruise. I think it was near the Jungle Cruise, but that's basically what it is. But it's in the dark a lot and they have some dinosaurs. It's
Scary.
just as jerky,
Scary.
not scary.
Very scary. That guy comes out and tries to eat you. Or Carnosaurus.
That guy?
Yeah.
This Jurassic Park's a lot scarier.
Are you gonna do like a swap or you're gonna need the kennel?
Kennel, please.
I'm gonna call it there.
Alrighty, thank you.
Finally, a water ride to cool me down. So Bill Hamilton said, ride in the back, make sure you're backwards on the this ride. You'll get wet. Yeah, he's not lying.
Right now.
As you can see, there's just a small portion of people here compared to what were here earlier. They've all park hopped to the other Disney parks, and there's just a small percentage of people here compared to what was here earlier. We're gonna go ride the safari and check out all the animals. And hopefully we'll see lots of them out
But I
there.
don't think I'll have time because they close at 8, so. There's nobody else on here, so if I do.
So we're gonna go ride or go on safari.
Okay.
We're checking out the safari, so that's what we're doing right now.
You're like, oh,
It's gonna be a lot of fun.
5 feet tall with those really long legs. Those legs have adapted to them as giraffe. These they have medicinal properties. They're just made out of keratin, like our greater tree. Hippo do spend most of the daytime in the water, where they can stay out of the heat, out of the sun. As nighttime rolls around, that's when they typically come out to graze. They can go as far as miles of mirth and eat about 80 to 90 pounds of veggies. They're like human voices that tell each other apart. They can hold their breath under the water for up to 8 minutes at a time. They're sleeping underwater, getting up for air. Have exactly the same stripes. And the foals, they have the ability to imprint on their mother. That means they memorize her stripe pattern. So they only nurse and hang around her for about the first year of their lives. Those foals are also born with their legs just about fully grown. Because they run a matriarchy. That means that the females outrank the males. The lowest ranking also run about 50 to 60 miles per hour, making them one of the top 10 fastest land mammals. And they can leap 13 feet moving forward. Small but mighty. With the large horns, they are Anatoly cattle. There are some giraffe up ahead, kind of going in and out of the road. Obviously, they have the right of way. It's up to 1.5 million wildebeest. The wildebeest calves, they can stand and run only 15 minutes after they're born. They have to be able to keep up with the rest of the herd. Pretty little one up there. Just a couple of them. Baby giraffe are about 6 feet tall already when they're born. They can stand and walk within the first hour of life. As they reach adulthood, they'll get up to about 18 to 20 feet tall. The giraffe's tongue, that's going to be about an inch long for each long tongue. It's going to be dark purple. That keeps them from getting sunburn on their tongue, as they do spend almost the entire day eating. They do have incredible hearing. Our research team has learned that elephants are afraid of the sounds that these make. So the farmers in Kenya started making fences with beehives on them. That way they can keep the elephant away from their crops without
water bucket. They emit a greasy, smelly liquid through their fur. Waterproofs their coat. They provide milk for the villagers. That keeps them from relying on the endangered wildlife of the reserve.
Well, that's gonna do it today from Animal Kingdom. So if you like this video, please give me a like, give me a subscribe, and we'll see you next time here on The Attic. See ya!